Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you can see, I'm here and I want to show you this functionality I just made using Flutter. So as you can see, I have managed to build an app which will alert all users from our app, and so we're going to use Firebase messaging and also always some notification from Flutter package. So as you can see, I want to give you just let me send to this device here a notification, and I want to show you something. You see, we receive an instant notification and we will be redirected to the notification page when we receive that notification. And as you can see, here is the information about the notification. Just saying the notification title, the notification test, which is the body here. That's the full information. So when I remove this and I want also to go background, then I click send again, a test notification, and you see what you get. We get a ringtone, a ring device. So when I click here on the notification help, you see we will redirect it to a notification page and also the ringtone will stop. So this functionality I just made it using Flutter, and just simple and easy guys. And as you can see, this is my Firebase app notification file. I just managed to build this all functionality from this page. So I will create another video showing you the process for getting the notification from this top app here, and also getting notification from background and terminated app, and also to ring the device while it's getting the notification. This is simple guys. I'm going to help you and give you a try in this good and amazing project I just managed to build. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon. Please like and share this video so that I can get more energy to create more videos about this. Okay guys.